Jesse, long time no talk, but I have to freaking show you this. Okay, so this is supposed to be for the kitty cats. I think this can normally be used for like kids or animals, cats or dogs, but Jared saw something online where basically the theory is you can get your cats to communicate with you with these little buttons, which is going to be a hoot and a half trying to like actually get to work. Let me see if I can actually freaking open this. He thinks it's gonna work. I don't know if our cats are smart enough. I meant our cats are genius.
We have 3 chances to get it.
We do have 3 chances. So let's see if it comes. We got these little buttons in here. Give me a sec, hold on. Play.
Yeah.
Got a little recordings preset.
Hello. Yeah. Hello.
I'm assuming. Play.
Play.
It's that easy. And I'm sure it helps that it's our voice.
Right?
Yeah, buddy, are you ready for some play buttons?
Treats. Treats, please. And then, so these have stoppers on the bottom. Stoppers on the bottom? Yes, they won't slide. But that was one comment for the mat, was that if you put them on the mat doesn't slide, so your animal can't push them away. So that's another plus for that. Treats, please.
Play.
I don't know what to make red, because that seems too like aggressive right now. Treats, pets. Let's make this one pets. Love me.
Mm-hmm. Plus, I think they're colorblind, so I don't think the color matters for cats.
Oh, great. Then how are they gonna know?
It's for us.
No, but like, how are they gonna know which one to hit?
We have to keep them in the same place.
Order?
Yeah.
Hold on, there you go.
I could be wrong, though.
I was hoping he was gonna say, I could be wrong though. So you're like, I'm gonna keep that one. What should we make the red one? Oh my gosh, I know what I'm gonna do. So, this is such a little cat weekend because we obviously, I legit ordered these last night from Amazon. And then we have a kitty backpack for Tinjamin because he loves going outside. And so we wanted to try doing a kitty backpack because we see them and people take their cats on hikes and walks, and that just seems like fun / what our little mini Tinny would like to do. So I think I'll make this one going on a walk. Backpack walk.
Backpack walk.
Not long enough. Backpack walk.
Backpack walk.
Oh my gosh. I don't even want to show you. I'll move them too fast you can't really see. But my nails are terrible. So ignore that. I actually ordered something in the mail. It's like a do-it-yourself like biosculpt polish, because as much as I like getting my nails done and going to get my nails done, I don't really always enjoy going to get my nails done. I feel like it takes a lot of time. So I bought something online, vegan and cruelty-free. I'm definitely going to show you guys when I use it. But that's kind of why I'm letting my nails just go to sadness, because I'm waiting to get the stuff in the mail so I can do that and not go and pay to have them take off my polish when I could have just done it myself a day later. So should be arriving soon. He got in there so fast that I could not even pull out my phone fast enough to start showing you guys. Oh, but stay. Hi, baby. It's because there's kitty nip in there. That's why he wanted to go so fast. But we're going to take him on a little kitty walk. Hi, baby. Do you want to go right back in there? And that's where we set up the buttons for now. That'd be so cute if you touched one.
Yeah, outside.
Right? Oh my gosh, you cutie little weirdo. So let's see, it would be,
Outside, please. Backpack walk. Backpack walk. Outside, please.
so we are getting very furry, but we are trying to hang out with Tinny in the car. He's got his little backpack, he's attached to his little harness. And we are going like less than a mile away, just as our first little adventure. There is gated community, and we're gonna go check it out with our tin Billy. Oh, here
That guy
we
almost
go.
turned right.
Oh gosh,
there.
on the wrong way.
Yeah, he almost came down the road going the wrong way.
We're surrounded by one-way roads where we live.
Last
It
night
creates so
and
many
today.
things. I mean, we haven't seen any like accidents or anything like that, thank goodness. But yeah, we just always see people going the wrong way, and sometimes they realize, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they end up at the signal and you don't have any signals like facing you, so I'm sure you just feel super awkward. So look at your park. There's nobody here. How fantastic. Look at this cute little spot. It's right down the hill from us. All right, we'll see you guys out there. Just walking around. Denny!
What's up, buddy?
I know it's a backpack, but I figure we can both enjoy him. He's on the front. We can both have fun. Oh my gosh, you're, oh, okay, yeah, that's fine.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, hello. He's got lots of air holes, guys. Don't worry.
So
It's
many
made
air
for
holes.
cats. It's made for creatures. Hi, buddy. Oh. Okay. Right. So I just fudged recording on some of that, but basically what you missed was Bubby saying that Tinny was rolling around so that he would smell like the forest. So the forest creatures would think, oh, hey, look at his tail bear. He smells a creature probably. Do you want to pet him and love him? Hi. Hi. You probably smell a creature. It's freaking you out. Let's come over here. His poof tail. It's okay. There even could have been a creature in there or something. Yeah. So this is what you guys missed before, was just him doing that stuff. Tinny does not want to go the way Mama wants to go. Right? What do you see? Hi. Hi.
Underneath his foot.
Oh, you're under the footy?
There we go. That was a good. Oh. Sounds just like a apple on headbutt.
Right? All right. We want to get you on the trail because there's probably frogs. Oh, and then Jared was also saying that we should get like a retractable leash. This is just one we happen to have in the garage. We did not buy it for this specific venture, but still going the wrong way.
I can't go up there.
Come back.
Oh, this way. I'm a little stronger than you.
We're gonna go this way. If you want, you can go into a backpack, but I think you're having a freaking blast, man.
You having fun?
He's having a blast.
You want to explore this little spot, or is this
Sure.
not far enough away
We
yet?
can do that because whatever's maybe going to be down there.
Once the bird or the
Oh,
or whatever.
come on, buddy. Let's go this way. This way on the trailer. Here we go. Here we go. Follow Mama. Thought we brought treats for you. Maybe we'll give you treats over here.
I didn't remember to drink.
I did.
Okay.
I did. I'm gonna scout the corner. This is so a way to make me walk more locally. Tinny Kitty, he wants to come with me. I think we're gonna be clear. I don't know how Tinny. Hi! Here it comes! What? Come on! Hi, Tinny! Hi! Hi, buddy! Frog sounds. Got a little stream. We passed two bikers a second ago. It kind of freaked out Tinny for a
A little
second.
bit, just a little bit.
Just a little.
You know, forced interaction. Not with humans.
I understand that, Tinny. It's all right.
About to see a
We
dog.
got a friend coming up here. Hi. Hi, buddy.
bike?
Yeah, but I don't think so. I think it's a tool
Well,
in someone's backyard.
either way.
They'll get you first.
Yeah.
Love you. Love you. Yeah, want to jog? What are you jog? I'll be a jogger.
Oh, man, we're stopping. Like, Mom, I'm trying to run quiet, and you're making all this noise, and you're scaring away the birds. It's just me. Maybe you're right. Maybe he's like, well, we're at Dad now. Come on, Tingerman. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on over. Yeah. Come here. Yeah, Tingerman. Yeah. He's like, and we're still going.
There's so much fur on my face. I don't even know if you guys can like see it, but I feel like Fur Central. But we are heading back. We've got our little Vinny here. He's still attached to the backpack. He's kind of going crazy. I'm not gonna lie. He's kind of going crazy. He's got his gasoline smell. Okay. Alright. So, better late than never. You guys haven't had your official introduction to this man.
Me?
No.
Oh.
You guys have had plenty. We went on a date.
That's true.
Yada yada. Anywho. This is Sir Tingerman Cornelius the Second. He is the second because he's the second cat. Barney is the first. Julie is the third. And he's the best. He's the most outside kitty.
He's the doggiest kitty for sure.
Oh yeah. He is about 7 years old, I would say. And we adopted him from the Humane Society, the Helen Woodward Animal Shelter in Rancho Santa Fe. Little adoption kitty. And yeah, he was actually a birthday present from 2 girlfriends that I used to work with. And yeah. So, if you guys ever see this, love ya for Tinny. And love you for you.
Here you go, buddy.
Escape!
See you later.
So I told you guys it was a kitty weekend because we also moved. Joe noticed me. Because we also moved to the bird feeder. And let me flip you guys over. It's not. There we go. There we go. So the bird feeder is right there on like that second half of the window. We used to have both in our bedroom. But we decided to move one because the kitties love hanging out here. And maybe the birds. Oh, that was a cute sound. Always scared of a bird. Maybe he did. I don't know. Is that so fun? Hey, buddy. Wanna go push a button? What do you want? What button do you want? You don't know what they mean. You don't know. You will. You will. In case anyone was curious. So this guy. So we got this off of Etsy. I think it was like 90 bucks. Definitely worth it. It's got air holes on the bottom. It's got a zipper on the bottom also. Air holes on each side. Pocket. Water pocket. And there's almost like an AirPod pocket or something. It's got a little hole so that maybe like headphones or something come out. Don't know. But we had treats in one of them, water. He would not eat any treats though. We kept trying to kind of put him out at different times, and I think there was just too much going on. He was not interested. So as you guys saw, there is this that opens up. This is plastic. It did come with a plastic layer across the whole thing, and I had to like peel it, and it was hard to get from the edges. So like, if anything, I would say that was kind of a silly thing that they could have done differently, but love it. Little side spot here. Inside, there's this guy attached to the top that comes all the way down, and then you've got the hook, so we could either attach his harness or whatever. So, love it. Has a top handle. Bloop, turn it around. Backpack straps, adjustable, and that, which was great. And so we used it on the front, we used it on our back. Both worked. Happy camper. What do you think? 10 paws, way up? 10 beans? They showed us Robin Hood Men in Tights and then the Robin Hood app. OG sexy socialist. Just settling in here. I put together a fun little like set or kit of things to have downstairs under our table, because sometimes I do my face stuff down here, sometimes I do it upstairs. So Bubby's making some dinner. He's doing some nachos with beans.
Peppers, jalapenos,
Taco sauce, my little everything seasoning with nutritional yeast, and something cheese, follow your heart cheese, mozzarella shreds, that should be good. But just settling in here, and we are watching The Problem with Jon Stewart on Apple TV. So yeah, and sorry about the lighting, could be a little better, but whatever. So I'm gonna settle in and finish this up, but I will see you guys next time. I don't need a Lydia dog to go on cute animal walks.
You were supposed to go over me.
I see what you're saying. I thought you were talking to Tinny. I was like, you wanted Tinny to go over you?
I do. That's exactly what I want.
How is that gonna work?